Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna be unboxing the BTS Rolling Stones June 2021 cover magazines. I got the special collector's edition set, so it comes with 8 different designs. One of them is a group one, and then we have a separate cover for each of the members. This collector's edition set costs $150. I believe it is sold out, so I'm super fortunate to have the opportunity to purchase one. I am super excited to see what's inside, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here is what the outer packaging looks like. To be honest, I thought it was going to be hardcover, but it's actually soft cover, which is okay because I think it still protects the contents inside. At the top here, it says Rolling Stone and it's shiny. This is just a plain box here. And this is the back on the sides. Alright. Let's open this up. I'm just gonna open it up from this side. Okay. It is quite heavy, in case you were wondering. Okay, let's take out the magazines. Oh, wow. Okay, and if you're curious, it's just red inside the box here. Here are the magazines. They are packaged very nicely, I gotta say. Let's see, I'm just gonna rip the tape off of here. Oh wow, okay. So, we have all of the copies here. So first off, we have the group one. And here is the back. So it has all 7 of them. Very cute. Okay, next we have the one for J-Hope. Here's the back. So I think the backs are all the same. But yeah, I really love the covers for the individual members. I think they're really cool. Okay, Namjoon. Jin. Jimin. V. Suga. And last but not least, we have Jungkook. Alright, so for the sake of this unboxing video, I am only going to be opening up the group one here, since everything else is the same inside, it's just the outside covers. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. Oh wow! Okay, so here is the group cover. It says the Future of Music issue, and right up here is very tiny, but it says June 2021. That's very cool. Rolling Stone, and you have all 7 of them here. Such an awesome cover. Oh, and look, it says the non-stop triumphs of the world's biggest band. Alright, and here is the back here, super cute. Alright, let's do a quick flip through what's inside here. Oh, we got Jason Derulo here. Okay, so I guess this is like an issue specifically talking about music, which is really cool. And this is also the first time that I've actually opened up a Rolling Stone magazine, so this is gonna be a pretty interesting experience for me. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. All right, so here's all 7 of them. And just in case you were wondering, yes, I did purchase the special box set, which is the one I'm showing you right now. So yeah, right here. And let's see here. BTS, here we go. Okay, so yeah, this is a great photo shoot right here. I love this. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, I'm gonna spend time to actually read everything here, but yeah, like, I'm just gonna put in here for a second. I love the photo shoots that they did. And I believe these are the same interviews as the one that was on the Rolling Stones online website. So I think you can access it from there too. This is just a hard copy version. Oh, this is so cute. I love the collages here. Very cute. Oh, wow. Okay, so they're highlighting some K-pop news here too, which is awesome. Oh my god, we got ENHYPEN here. Awesome. Oh, look at that. It's lucky number 7 for a new boy band. That's really cool. Let's see who else. TXT. Wow. Okay. Awesome. They have their own page here. That's cool. Alright, and that was the flip through. Overall, I think this was a really special purchase because I just think this was such a huge accomplishment for BTS, and as an ARMY, I felt like I needed this as part of my collection. And honestly, in terms of like, is it worth it or not? I think it is because they do have different covers. Each of them are featured on their own cover, and you get this super cute group one as well. So for the price, I think it's definitely worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, bye!